Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find your updates or updates window on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that to find this window or your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on notifications, then you come to next window here or this window, and here on updates you can find all updates you have on your Pinterest app all page pins so posted or posted picture. You will find it in this window. All the updates you have, you will find it in this window. So that's all you have to do to find this window on your Pinterest app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about our Pinterest app settings. So see you in next video.